Dispensary ya Gilgil kaunti-ini ya Nakuru ĩrĩa yakirwo makĩria ma mĩaka 20 mĩhĩtũku rĩu ĩrĩ hatika-ini ya Kuhingwo ona thengia wa gũkorwo atĩ nĩyo thibitari ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgĩtungatĩra namba nene ya andũ kuma mwena wa Gilgil, Naivasha hamwe na icigo imwe cia kuma Kinangop. Thibitari uyu wa ya Kuhingwo thutha wa mundu umwe kuheo watho wa igoti wa kuonania mugunda uria thibitari ino yakitwo ni wake, undu uria riu utumite aikari itura ria Gatamayu kwambururuka na kuga thibitari uyu wakitwo mugunda-ini wa muingi na mena nginyagia maratathi ma kuonania ati mugunda uyu ni wa muingi, kuria nayo thirikari ya kaunti ya Nakuru yugite ni guthii igoti-ini nene kuregana na watho ucio.
As the custodians of the land, the owners of this land, which belongs to the county government of Nakuru, we've never been involved in that court issue. The case has been between the private individual and the former office holders who are subdividing this land.
Mutari wa maundu ma kiwatho thirikari-ini ya kaunti ya Nakuru Benson Kipenjo ni atetete kumana na wigwatiri wa migunda ya muingi, akiuga thirikari ya kaunti ni ikoretwo na register ya migunda yothe ya muingi na riu kuri na kamiti ya mwanya iria gukorwo ikiyukia migunda yothe ya muingi iria igwatirwo mugaru na watho.
If the person claiming this land was keen was honest to the court, he should have been able to demonstrate this facility as a functional hospital, and I'm sure the court would not have issued those orders. So what we are going to do as the office of the county attorney is we are going to try to address the issue. We are going to be enjoined in the suit. We are going to defend the position.
MCA wa Malewa East Francis Mugai akiuga kuhingwo gwa thibitari uyu ni undu kuhutia aikari na njira nene na magio tungata, akiuga ni undu wa kiriga uria mundu ucio aregwateire title deed ya mugunda ucio wa eka 6.
Wakati tumeenda kwa ofisi tukaenda kotini, tumepata ya kwamba ni haki huyu mtu mwenye ana claim this land ako na shamba lake ambaro ana supposed kwenda ku claim but not this Gatamayu dispensary.
Michael Duati mutongoria wa itora ni oritie thirikari nene na ya county kuingirira ndeto ino na kihonia kioneke.
Na mkiangalia hili jengo ambalo tuko nalo sio jengo la kujengwa juzi, ni ile mijengo ambayo inadumu ya miaka na miaka, na nahisi ya kwamba hata huyu jamaa anatamani, sababu anaangalia huu mjengo unamfaa sana.
Nasikia zile kilometers watu husafiri kwenda kutafuta matibabu, unaenda Ngothi, unaenda Karate, unaenda Naivasha, na hapa ni mahali ambapo mashamba ni share moja kuotanika. Hata kupanda chakula ati ndio mnauza mnapata pesa za kusafiri ni shida.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.